Hello friends, today in this video I will show you fix failed first explain fix failed first expression error on Windows 11 or 10. So guys, this is very easy and simple method to fix. So first we need to click on start. Now type cmd. Now right click on command prompt, click on run as administrators. Type SFC space slash scan now. Press enter. Now wait some few minutes. After this process, after this processor will be completed, so type this command line. If you comment, so I will give a description box. So copy and paste it and close it and restart your PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.